Hi, this is my fun events project. Previously, I added a event catalog API and WebMVC in 3A assignment, but now I added more services, token service and card service card service. These are working right now. Still, I'm work I'm working on order API. I need to add card access and everything. So for 3B assignment, I Dockerize the my services and all database backends and everything. Here is my Docker ML file. I Dockerize everything, and this is my token service. Now I added token service. In this token service, um, I have data models and everything, account view model, manage view model and everything. And I did migrations. I have one controller, account controller. Mm, and this is my cart API. Now my cart API is also working. So after Docker Compose, my UI looks like this. After adding token service and cart API and everything, this is my UI. Now I can able to log in using with token ID and password. If I click login, I can able to log in. After login, I can able to see the cart image. If I will go back to my event page, I can able to see my cart image. I already added 4 items. Now I am going to add more. These items will increase. Why? Yeah, here I added 3 more, 4, 5, 6, but it won't shows me. It won't refresh. I see here I added 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 8 items, but I don't know why it won't shows me. I want to fix that. Update. If I try to change to update cart, yeah, changed. Previously my total is 100. If I change to this, yeah, my total is 80. So my token service is working. Still I want to work on this Cart items is not updating. I will do in three C assignment. So for 3B token service and WebMVC are working right now. I will go back to front page. My UI looks like this. For this, I change in WebMVC. I wrote services for tokens or interfaces and card services. Yeah, here I added more services for cart and token. For token, I gave the identity service. Here is event service, order service, and card service. I changed my custom HTTP client. No, not in custom HTTP. API paths I added order and cart basket. In this payment startup here I can able to my now my token service is working. Thank you.